How to make account on CjDropshipping. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open any browser you have. Navigate to CjDropshipping website. Once you're here, click on my CJ icon at the bottom right of the screen. Click on Register at the top right. You will be sent to the new user registration page. Enter an email, a username, an optional invitation code. Checkmark on the box after reading the user agreement and privacy policy. Click Next. Enter first and last name. Enter a mobile number. Click Next. Enter a password and retype it. Click Confirm. Once you do that, your account will be created. You can take the CJ Dropshipping survey so they can learn more about you to offer better services, or you can skip for now. And that's it. That's how to make account on CJ Dropshipping. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.